Hey guys, I'm going to do a video about our custom airbrushed lawnmower. Start out with this. This is a custom airbrushed logo, or a little head. It's a little bit scratched, but hey, it's a lawnmower. It has a cleaned and redone motor on it. It's a Yard Machines 4 horsepower 21-inch cut with a rear bag mulch. It's just basically, it's a Tecumseh motor. And starts great. Here, well, some days, but it's just a Tecumseh, so great is not always a great word to say. There. Let's see how long it will take me to start. Took 3 pulls. Not too bad for a Tecumseh. Tecumseh, whatever. But yeah, that's our custom lawnmower.